Alright guys, welcome back to my cooking channel guys. Chef Carlton here. I'm going to ask you to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. But today I'm going to be making a Guinness Punch for you guys. So Guinness is going to be the star of the show today. And I got all my ingredients here I'm going to be working with. So just stick around and watch me walk you through this one. Alright, so again guys, no specific order, but I'm going to start with my peanuts. Adding my oats. Some cinnamon. And the exact recipe is going to be at the end guys, so I'm just getting my ingredients together. Supligen. You could substitute this for Ensure. That's easier to get where you're at. Alright, some nutmeg. This is freshly grated nutmeg guys. Alright, and then now I'm going to add our Guinness. Alright. You're just going to go ahead and liquefy this. For the taste, you want to get a little bit of sweet, you could add some condensed milk. So I'm going to add some condensed milk right there. Alright. About that. Go ahead and mix that out real quick. Alright guys, that smells so good, looks so good. I'm going to go ahead and do a sample, do a taste. Oh yeah, good stuff guys. That's the Guinness Punch for you guys. Simple, nice, easy recipe to follow.